Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake ribbon. First, understand that edible cake ribbon elevates your dessert's appearance significantly. It's a fantastic way to personalize cakes for any occasion, from birthdays to weddings. We'll cover the essential steps, from preparing your workspace to applying the finished ribbon. Get ready to transform your cakes with this simple yet impressive decorative element. This process is easier than you might think, and the results are truly stunning. To begin, you'll need a few key items. Start with good quality fondant, which is the base for your ribbon. Have some powdered sugar ready for dusting your work surface, preventing sticking. A rolling pin is crucial for achieving an even thickness. Don't forget a ruler and a sharp knife or pizza cutter for precise, straight edges. Food coloring can add beautiful hues, allowing for endless creative possibilities. Now let's get to the fun part, rolling and cutting. Lightly dust your clean work surface with powdered sugar to ensure the fondant doesn't stick. Roll out your fondant evenly, aiming for a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. Use your ruler and cutting tool to create straight strips. A common width is 1 to 2 inches, but you can adjust this based on your cake's design. Consistency is key for a polished look. Finally, it's time to apply your beautiful ribbon. Carefully lift each strip and gently attach it around the base or tiers of your cake. A tiny bit of water brushed on the back can help it adhere. Overlap the ends slightly for a smooth, continuous look. You can also add small edible decorations like pearls or flowers to enhance the ribbon. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your stunning, ribbon-adorned cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.